James, you're an application engineer at Romi Machines, and I want to get your perspective. Let's make it clear, it's not your job to sell this machine. You're an applications engineer. So what are your thoughts on the new D series?
So yeah, this is our new VMC D800 that we're showing at the Southern Manufacturing Show. For me, it's a very easy machine to work. I've worked on many machines before, and Romi I really like. It's got the new controls, so it's the OIMF HMI series. We've got exclusivity with this control, so we're the only machine tool supplier in the UK. The machine itself is a very robust machine, so what we're demonstrating today is the power, the robustness. We're doing big heavy cuts on some mild steel EN8s, and we're getting a lot of interest, so it's good.
Yeah, the old D series, you sold loads of those.
Yeah.
So I'll be interested to know, how does this stack up against your other D series? Guys, that was a very successful machine, so is this better?
We've made some considerable improvements on the machines. It's the machine itself, it's a smaller machine, but it's got more travel. So this is a D800, it's got 800 in the X, 600 in the Y, and 600 in the Z. We've got different models for this type of machine. So we've got the 600, we've got the 800, we've got a meter bed, a 1250. Same columns, same beds, same guarding. The only difference is the table. Also, it's thermal compensation on the machine. So yeah, we've made some real good improvements.
And it's a heavy machine, isn't it?
Yes, it's heavy. It's 9.5 tons. So again, we're trying to demonstrate the robustness, the strength. So we like to take big heavy cuts, and obviously having that, there's being a heavy machine, there's no vibration, there's no chatter. Very good.
Yeah, we haven't got time to go through the control, but there's lots of new things on there. I know some of them you've developed. I know it's a Fanuc control, but Romi have actually developed with Fanuc. There's a lot of advanced things for improving surface finish and things like that.
Yes, so they've designed it similar to your phone, where it's you've got your apps. So there's a lot of features on here that are brand new. You've got Romi Planning, Romi Machining, Romi Improvement, Romi Utility. The Tool Manager is more involved. So you've got more options, and the interface is very easy to use. So it's a nice control to work with.
So again, you're an application engineer.
Yeah.
How does this, you don't need to talk about other brands, but how does this stack up against the other machines that you've run?
I've run a fair few machines before. I really like Romi. Before working with Romi company, didn't use a machine before, but they're comfortable controls, they're nice, reliable machines, and all of our customers, they're happy with the service.